All right, this time it was the first try and it's recording. All right, little Polaroid. Here we go. It's the Evolution Rage 2 metal chop saw. The maiden cut, 3/16 pipe. All right, here we go. Perfect. Everything that I was hoping for. Absolutely perfect. Oh, I'm so happy I spent the extra money and bought the toothed bladed chop saw. Oh man, that cut like butter. Granted, it's a brand new saw. That was its maiden cut, but money well spent. Oh wow. When I was doing this before, I was using a oxyacetylene torch. After I'd go through it with the gas, then I'd have to sand it. This is nice and smooth, nice clean cut, and you saw on the video it just went through and within what, 20 seconds? I didn't time it, but yeah, couldn't be happier. Could not be happier with the Evolution Rage 2. This is a substantial saw. I don't know how much it weighs, but as I get older and the arthritis gets worse, I get weaker. But one of my projects after I build my rocket stove will be to build a permanent cart-like stand for this thing. Yeah, this is great. Good. Well, thank you, YouTubers. Yeah, highly recommend it. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. The end. For now.